Hello. In this video, we will introduce reading input from the keyboard. In the preceding example, we used a fixed value for radius. In this section, we will rewrite the program to enable the user to enter an input interactively. When the program executes, the program prompts the user for the input, the user enters the input, the program receives the input, continues the execution. This is the code for achieving this. We use the cin object to read input from the keyboard. So this is cin stands for console input. And this is the operator greater than together. It is together means the stream extraction operator. So you get the input, you extract it into a value, and this value is assigned to radius. Let's look at the animation now.
The program starts the execution from the main function. The statement declares variable radius. The statement displays a message to prompt the user for input. The statement reads an input from the console.
I'm going to enter this input 2.5.
The statement reads an input 2.5 from the console and assign it to variable radius. Check your understanding. Note that in all code animation, you can use mouse or finger to move highlight, explanation, output, and check your understanding box freely. If area is misspelled as area in this line, which line will have a compile error?
If area is misspelled as uppercase A, area, this line would be fine. You declare area. But when you come to line 15, you're using this area, but the area is not defined. So that is a problem. So the line will show the problem is 15.
You are correct. Area in line 15 is undefined. The statement evaluates the expression and assigns the result to variable area. Area now has a value 19.635. The statement displays the area.
This is the live example. You can now write this line is cin to get the input from the keyboard into radius. Now this is the diagram to show the console input, the stream extraction operator, and here send the value to radius. Please note that we already used this. This is less than, this is the operator, versus this is greater than together. So this is the stream extraction operator, and this one is the stream insertion operator. It's for input. So this is for the input, and this is for the output, stream insertion, and for the output. So look, here is cin. For the input, you send this input into this variable. So look at it visually. You can think about it going this way from the keyboard. You get the input sent to the variable, and for the cout, going the other way here, it's you send the stream literal into the output. This stream extraction operator can also be used in a pipeline. You can have multiple of these operators together. So you're going to send the input, extracted input to x1, and then the next to x2, and then the next to x3. So here's an example. We're going to have this program. We're going to write this send this input to number 1, number 2, and number 3. So we're going to have the Cin to number 1, number 2, and number 3. We're going to get the average of the 3, number 1 plus number 2 plus number 3 divided by 3. And this to display the result. Now look, we have in this input is 3 numbers. You can put them in one line separated by at least one space, or you can put them into multiple lines. This is all fine. So you can have multiple lines here. And now you can run the program using this input. Let's change this to 22.35. Run the program. This is the output. The average of this 3 numbers is this result. So this is convenient. If you have multiple input, you can put them all together in one line. So when you enter the input, you separate by at least one space, or you can put them into multiple lines. Most of the program we encounter in the early chapters are really simple. They all involve getting input, process data, and display the output. So we call this is IPO, input, process, and output. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next video.